Oh, so I think this is good. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Veronika, or Veronika mit K. I am a part-time reseller and a part-time ThredUp addict, and we have another box to unbox today, and I'm super excited because today's video is another collab video with my friend Kay, Passports and Pizza Pies. You should definitely check out her channel if you're not subscribed already. If you're enjoying my channel, I think you're gonna love her. She does a lot of unboxings, but she also does every Friday, she does a Friday thrift finds video where she shares her favorite haul items of that week. And just like me, she's part-time as well, and she works full-time. She's a mama as well, so we have a lot in common, and our addiction to ThredUp being one of those things. Now, I did order this box and then talked to her about it, and we realized we both ordered a ThredUp shoebox. And if I'm not mistaken, she ordered the 15 pair shoebox and I ordered the 10 pair box. I had a little bit of credit, so I paid $55 total. So it comes out to $5.50 per pair, which is a little bit lower than, you know, what you normally pay if you don't have credit, if you have to pay tax and shipping and such. I also have another shoebox on the way, and that one is Kay's fault because for some reason ThredUp had the 15 pair shoeboxes listed for $50 today. I'm recording this on Wednesday, March 16th, so I don't know what happened there, but I ordered another one and so did she. So clearly we have problems, but let's see who got more bang for their buck and which box was better or worse, really. I mean, with ThredUp, it's such a toss-up. You never know what you're going to get. So it's a true mystery. And these are rescue boxes, so you have to expect flaws, although I feel like ThredUp has really been catering to resellers more and more. And I feel like the boxes have gotten better, at least the shoe and clothing boxes. This one came from Pennsylvania. I finally got a Pennsylvania box again. I've gotten Arizona boxes for the last 2 months now, pretty much since I moved here to New Jersey, and it makes no sense to me. Talked about it a lot, but this is a Pennsylvania box. I hope it's a good one. I will slice it open and then we're gonna check out what's in there. So 10 pairs of shoes, women's shoes, most likely pre-owned. We'll see. Okay, so the reason why I bought another shoebox, not that I don't have enough inventory, although I will say I feel like I haven't sold shoes in a while, and I also got rid of a lot of shoes when I moved here, so I haven't sourced or found shoes in quite some time. So I realized, okay, maybe I should stock up on some shoes again. Also, I was preparing another update video on my first ThredUp shoebox, which was also a 10-piece women's box, and I realized that was a really good box for me. That video is still coming out because I haven't filmed it yet, but as I was doing the research, I realized, okay, that one performed well, so I think I'm gonna get another. So that was basically my reason for getting this box. Okay, if you never had a ThredUp box before, you get your little invoice over here. It just says the price, but it doesn't really reflect any credit or discounts that you may have had. So it says 60 bucks. That's what they normally go for. Let me just move this camera. Also, I'm sitting in a different location today because Kay always has plans in her videos, and so I wanted to be like her. Let's just dig in. I see some boots and some not so good quality shoes if I'm going to take a wild guess, but let's see what they are. Okay, so they're DV, Dolce Vita, and I believe this is the Target DV, but I will double check, of course. These are just little fringe booties. They are a size TBD, I don't know yet. But they have a zipper. They're definitely worn. They have a lot of wear on the suede or faux suede. I'm not sure if it's real or faux yet. And also the zipper is kind of stuck, so that's no fun. It's almost like, oh, never mind. So it's decorative on one side. I'm pretty sure this is the Target DV, maybe not. Okay, so I think it's the actual DV. I always forget what the marker is for that, but usually if you're getting DV that's sold at Target, it will say that on the inside, and there will be a lot of, you know, detail on that. So these are a size 7.5. They're made in China, but I do believe they're probably real suede. They do have a sticker on the bottom that has come off. Let's see if the other one's more helpful. Not really. So they're probably real suede, and I don't think these are the Target line, so they might actually be worth something. I will try to just deal with this suede a little bit. It looks a little bit rough, I'm not gonna lie. But they're cute little ankle booties. The zipper is decorative on this side, but then this one zips down, and they have this little fringe detail, so definitely something I will list unless I find a major flaw. These look interesting. I'm very intrigued by these, just by the look of them. They do have a rubber band. Let's see what they are. Okay, they're just Guess, which is fine, size 9. But they're cool. I feel like they're almost vintage looking. I don't know if you're gonna see it on the insole, but Guess, here we are. And these are just, I mean, they have scratches and wear, but I feel like that makes them more interesting. I really like these. They have the block heel, and they're this nice warm brown color, lace-up boot, true lace-up, no zipper on the side or nothing. So I will probably just treat these with a Wonder Balsam, the Doc Martens Wonder Balsam. They do have wear on the heel too, so I don't think I'll get rich of these, but I do like the look of these. I feel like they're very 90s/Y2K, and this might be something to sell on Depop or Curtsy. Two platforms where I do not list yet, but maybe I will. We get some Merrells. I do like selling Merrells, and these seem to be in great shape at first glance. They're, I want to say they're water shoes. Yeah, I think they're water shoes. Merrell, great outdoor shoe brand. Doesn't sell as well as Keen's for me, but they sell. So these are a size 7. So they have a little bit of wear on the inside, just on the tag. So they're not brand new, but they look really good on the outside. So very happy with these. They can probably get me, I don't know, 25 bucks maybe. They're in really good shape. I like them. Decent size too. Okay, we got some Vince Camuto, which I don't really gravitate towards, but I might pick up every once in a while. Another little ankle booty with the wedge. I don't know if you guys can you see that? It says Vince Camuto on the zipper. I do have trouble showing, you know, the inside of shoes, but here we go. There he is. These are a size 9, made in Brazil. They're cute. They'd be way too high for me. Also, they're not my size, but yeah, nice little suede upper booty. Again, I'll clean these up. Definitely have a little bit of wear, but I do have a suede cleaning set with a brush and such, so usually you can revive them just a little bit if they're not too far gone. This one feels in much better condition, but doesn't look it. Anyway, they're cute. I will definitely list these. Probably get like 20 to 25 bucks for them. Okay, whatever these are, they have a lot of wear. Oh man, are you kidding me? Oh, that's just sad. So the brand is Fry, which is very exciting. I got Fry in one of my other boxes too, and still have them because they haven't sold. Here, this one's probably easiest to see. Fry. They usually have that little logo somewhere on. Oh, you know what? I take it all back. They do not have wear. It's the logo. Oh my god. Veronika, you're an idiot. So I thought at first glance that this was just, you know, the leather coming off, but it's actually their logo. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so they do not have a lot of wear. I mean, they do have some, but that's definitely not as bad as I thought. They do have some scratches, and they're just sneakers, so they're not the awesome Fry boots, which I've never found. I've found Fry sneakers before. Like I said, I got Fry in one of my previous boxes. They're little wedge sandals in a very small size. These are a 8.5, and they're the Kira low top, leather upper, and lining. So just a good little lace-up sneaker. I have no idea how much these go for, but I will definitely list them. Always happy to get Fry. Okay, what are you? These are fairly new, and it looks like, what is happening? Oh, so I think this is good. They are Pour la Victoire, which means as much as for the victory, for the win probably. And they're little slip-on mules with fuzzy stuff. And it's real fur. Okay, so it's real fur. They're retailed for 200 something. I can't quite see it on the sticker here. $2.25 is what they retailed for, and then they were on sale for 100 and something, probably from Nordstrom, but they're in really good shape. I mean, they've been worn, definitely. They're a size 7. But yeah, I've never found anything Pour La Victoire before, so I'm definitely excited to research them and look them up. I mean, they look a little ridiculous if you ask me, but they're a good little mule, and especially going into the warmer months, I think this is going to do well. And they're not completely lined. This rabbit fur or whatever it is really just up here, and then the rest is not lined. So very cute little leather loafers. Interesting. I'm not mad at this box. I really like it. We do have Banana Republic, so it's a little bit sobering, but you know, you need to have some duds in here. And these, if they're my size, I would keep them, but they're probably, yep, way too small. 8.5, little slip-on sandal. I don't know if I'm going to list these. I don't think they will get me much, to be honest, but they're in good shape. So if whatever this is comes off, you know, that little smudge there. Yeah, I mean, why not? They're basic. They're very bright and blue. 8.5. If you're interested in anything, let me know. So far, I'm not terribly upset with anything I've gotten. The Banana Republic is not super exciting, but the rest of the stuff is so good that I'm pretty happy overall. I mean, the Vince Camuto is not exciting either, but hey, it's a solid box. I didn't get any Target and Old Navy so far. Knock on wood. We got some Clarks comfort shoes. Not a brand I usually pick up either, but I will probably list them. There is a buyer out there for these types of shoes. They are a size 6.5, so they're tiny, but it's leather upper. Just a good little comfort shoe. You know. Here's the other one. Yeah, why not? These are more Banana Republic, but these are really cute. I like these. What is this? Oh, are they new? They may be new. They may just be little house slippers, but honestly, looking at the soles, you can wear them out and about. They're size 5 to 6, so they're tiny as well. Banana Republic. But look at these. They have a little zebra on them. Not only zebra print, but an actual zebra. Like, are you kidding me? How cute is that? And they do have a little, you know, insert here. So I'm leaning towards saying these are new without tags. They look like they have not been worn. The sole looks really good. So size 5 to 6, way too small for me, sadly. But these are really cute. Just, you know, just for the fact that they're interesting and different, I really like them. If I found them at the bins, I probably would pick them up. Not gonna lie. Okay, and then we got some Vans, and that is the last pair. I will always take some Vans if they're in good shape. Not necessarily always pick them up at any price, but if they're in good shape and they're in a box, I will definitely list them. These are men's size 6, women's 7.5. Just your classic low top, lace up sneaker, canvas sneaker, Vans. Here we go. They're in really good shape too. Yeah, usually the writing back here is pretty worn and like has come off, but these are really nice looking. I mean, they've definitely been worn, but yeah, not a whole lot. So we'll definitely list those. I don't know, 25 bucks maybe for these. Solid pair. So usually with the shoe boxes, I don't feel like I need to count because they're usually pretty good about sending you the exact amount, but let's count anyway. So we got 1, we got, oh, I just saw on the back of the Fry. Oh my God, this is so cool. Sorry, random, but look at this on the back here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm excited for these. Oh, I didn't even see that. Look at the gold stuff here. 8. Anyway, 9, 10. So yeah, we got 10 pairs, and at $5.50 per pair, I'm very happy with this box. Not every pair is a total winner, but I think I have enough really good pairs, solid pairs in here, including a brand I've never found before that retails really high. So that is always exciting for me, discovering new brands or finding brands I've only heard about and have never had the opportunity to pick up. So I'm very happy with this box, and I really hope that Kay got a good box too. I hope the boxes we both ordered today are going to be good. I don't know if we're going to collab on those, but you will definitely see those unboxings on our channels, I'm pretty sure. I mean, you can't order a ThredUp box and not film an unboxing if you're a reseller on YouTube. So you will see more unboxings on my channel, and I'm sure you will see more on Kay's as well. Okay, thank you so much for collabing with me on this video. I hope you had a really good box as well, and let us know in the comments down below what your favorite pair was, which box you thought was better, and who got the most bang for their buck. Again, $5.50 per pair. I think I did pretty well. I don't care who wins, you know, it doesn't matter. But I think I can definitely double, if not triple, my money on this box. So stay tuned for an update video on this box and on pretty much, not all, but most of my other unboxing videos. I do film semi-regular updates on how these have performed for me. So if you're interested in that, and if you want to see how well these boxes can or cannot do, then definitely subscribe and also hit the like button if you had fun today. And if you enjoy ThredUp content and other reseller content. Thank you so much. Bis bald. Tschüss.